You don't have to positively think yourself out of this problem. You can just focus your awareness on something that is working and not pretend, but just really embody that feeling of, well, this isn't fun, but then I'm also, this is okay. It's not everything's bad. One of our current members said, yeah, but I really love this idea of focusing on stopping your negative thoughts and not being consumed by them, but it's really hard. It's a great idea, but it's just hard. And so we had a conversation around that. And the conclusion was that, firstly, it is hard, but stop saying it's hard. Like, the more you keep saying, oh, but this is just so hard and it's so challenging, it's going to be more hard and challenging, right? The difference between successful people in the world that are doing something really great across the board in life, health, wellness, whatever, they know it's hard, but they don't talk about it, right? It's like, yeah, it's hard and I'm going to go do the thing. Versus the people that don't get results, they say it's hard, they know it's hard, but then they talk about how hard it is. And all their time and energy that they're spending on talking about this thing and problem that they don't want is actually exhausting them and making them even more tired than they already are. When in fact, if they use the same amount of energy and attention on the thing that they wanted and they could move forward with that, they're going to get better results. You're either winning or you're learning. You're never failing, right? But some people just go black and white. I'm either winning or I'm failing. It's like, no, you're either winning or you're learning.